If one person can finalize headband welding or folding mask with high efficiency, today I will introduce you. Here is Rich's medical equipment factory. And this one is Rich's semi-automatic headband welding machine. Compact design, easy operation, and 1K start. Firm welding, beautiful welding joint, and stable performance. The headband length is adjustable and the width is compatible. Welding efficiency 25 pieces per minute. Suitable for variety of models, different thickness of folding masks. Ready machine with a faster delivery time. What are you waiting for? Come and talk with us for your solution.